What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the TechSpace, and if you are watching this video, you have made it to the challenge part of this playlist. Now, like I said before in the introduction, I've taught this playlist 3 times, my third time now. I've taught this course 3 times of C++, and I've also written a book on it, which I can actually, I'll put the link in the description below. But in addition to that, I want to have challenges in the middle of the videos, and what these challenges are going to consist of are every 5 videos I do, I'm going to compile those 5 videos into a challenge, and you can basically finish this challenge. If you finish it, I would love to see you guys show me a time lapse of how you've done it. The code you use copy the code from your program, put it in the comment section below, and I like to see how other people are programming. So I like to see how you are writing your code, how you've got used to it so far. If you're having any issues with it, of course you can leave a comment, or you can just send me a thing or a message, or mention me on Twitter, which would be the fastest way. Probably respond to you within 30 minutes if you send it to Twitter. Other than that, we're going to get straight into this first challenge video. This again was just a little prelude to what the challenge videos are going to be on. And again, they're just every 5 videos are going to be a compilation of that content from those 5 videos, and I'm going to make a challenge basically so that it incorporates all of those concepts so that you can understand C++ better and have more fun with it. Because at the end of the day, computer programming isn't supposed to be like this stressful, hard to learn topic. It's hard if you aren't paying attention, if you aren't trying to learn it, and you're just wanting to say that you are a programmer. But if you're willing to put in the time, you're going to learn it. And if you are ambitious enough to be a programmer, then I'm guessing you're a creator. And if you want to create, you have to learn it. So learn how to program. Watch all these videos. I teach it, again, I've taught it several times, and I teach it as well as I can, and as coherent and as in order as it's supposed to be, based on, what C++.com and Bijan, if I say his name wrong, Bjorn Strostrup, I just butchered that. So I probably just butchered the guy who invented C++'s name while doing a C++ tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and end it there. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to again have the challenge. You can go ahead, feel free to watch the remainder of all of the videos on the playlist, or if you already know a little bit of C++, go ahead and skip ahead to the challenge videos and see if you can complete them. And if you can't complete them, I'll explain to you how to complete them after the video is over. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.